Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be mixing the skin tone for Kelvin heart picture, and I'll be starting with the dark tone. We have brilliant white, medium yellow, crimson, brilliant ultramarine blue, and black. So we'll start by mixing the dark tone. Now I'm doing this tutorial just to help see how we can mix several skin tones, because one of the challenges also in painting is having several tones for different skin. While I was starting out as an artist, one of the mistakes I make was using similar colors for all my paintings, and I know that one or two persons here too might be making similar mistakes. So in my course of mixing different colors, I'll be mixing some colors that has to do with different skin tones also. So we are trying to achieve the dark skin tone of Kelvin heart's picture, which is this part of the picture. From my picture you can see that my color is still looking reddish and bright, so I want to add a little bit of black to that, and that black was way too much. So cases like this happens to in color mixture. So when you have this kind of case, just start all over again, because the more you try to adjust that color, the more oil paint you waste. Also, we have learned that mixing the three primary colors together gives us brown. So one thing I could see from that dark tone of the skin is that it is reddish and a little bit dark. This is still very light. I guess it's looking like it's light. So let's add a little bit of dark to it, and a little bit of red. Likewise, for this skin tone, you can use the brilliant red too. Yes, provided you know what you want to achieve and how to go about it. So this works for the dark shade of Kelvin and skin tone. The dark shade. So let's move on to the mid-tone of the skin. So from what I could see in this mid-tone, it has a lot of yellow than red. So let's add little red to this. This is medium yellow and crimson. Then we need to desaturate it a bit with our blue. We can also use black to desaturate it, because black is a darker blue. Yes, the way to test that is to mix your black with yellow. You are going to have a sort of greenish color. So the first thing I'm trying to do is to make the dominating color to mix out the dominating colors first. So I don't want to touch from this. We are mixing from primary colors, so we have to keep that going. I need little black to make it darker. I think I'm always doing too much with my black, and I need to be careful with that. So I had to reduce the paint to continue. So this is close, but still not exact. So I'm still trying to mix the mid-tone. Also note that the skin is not just the, yes, we got the color, or slightly a little bit close to that. So the skin tone is not just it's not based on the mid-tone, the dark tone, and the highlight as well. We have several tonalities, so that's why value is very important. There are over 6-7 tonalities in this picture, so there are cases where you have to mix the two together to get the specific tone. So without wasting so much time, let's move into the highlights. So highlights could be areas like this and like this. So you can decide to add whites to this for the highlights. Highlight are colors that are close to whites. But not white in the real sense. This is too brilliant. We need to desaturate it. It's still looking too sharp. So let me just take a little bit of this and add to it. And I think this is better. So this is better. There are places where we have pinkish highlights, while there are some places where we have grayish highlights. So with these three basic tones, we can paint this picture, and I would just like to mix one more last color, which is this part of the clothes. So looking at that is a green color, and it's a desaturated green. It's not a vibrant green, so I can use my ultramarine blue and medium yellow to mix that. Ultramarine blue has red in it, so the red would automatically desaturate the green to make it as bright as you could think of. Then a little bit of black and white. I think the white messed up the color, so we need to add yellow. Yes, I guess we are close. That can serve as the highlight of the clothes, but we can just go a little bit further by adding blue and yellow, or a little bit of black to make it darker. So this can serve as the tonality for the clothes. So in portrait painting, mixture of color is very important, and you can only get better by mixing every day. If you want to learn how to mix several colors, you can subscribe to the channel, and also I teach people on how to paint and draw. Thanks for joining my video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.